Welcome to this special summer edition podcast brought to you by the MPI NAM Podcast Corner. I'm your host, Aide, and today we're diving into our vibrant and impactful summer internship program. In this episode, you'll hear from our mentors and interns about how we prepare students for real-world careers through hands-on projects, strong support, and a deep dive into Nokia's culture and business.
Hi, my name is Nate, and this summer we're excited to welcome a group of bright and ambitious students into our AI-run summer internship program. Our mission with these internships has always been to prepare junior and senior college students for the realities of a fast-moving global corporate environment. Over the course of the program, interns are embedded into real-world projects focused on solving internal solution gaps, so they're not just learning, but they're also delivering value. This hands-on approach in turn helps them build both technical and soft skills, from working with new technologies and building automation tools to collaborating, presenting ideas, and contributing as part of an R&D software development team. We also make sure that they're exposed to diverse roles across our unit, giving them insights into the wide range of career paths available. On top of that, they get a real taste of the Nokia culture, our values, our structures, our businesses, and how we work together to solve challenges at scale.
Hi, my name is Jack, one of interns' mentor. My primary goal is to get interns exposed to the real project as much as possible. To do that, I will talk with stakeholders, we'll have some brainstorming, and we will have some feasible new cutting-edge ideas, but we don't have bandwidth to do that. We will ask young talents to work with us for the new project. To guide them, we will meet them at least twice a week because we have to sync up meetings, and they will have our full support. If they have any questions, they can reach out to us. And I think that be very beneficial for their future endeavor.
Hi, I'm Paul. As mentors within Nokia's technology advancement initiatives, we kick off our relationship with interns by establishing a clear mentorship agreement. This ensures mutual understanding and sets expectations for both the intern and for us. From there, we work hand in hand with them, guiding them through their project from their initial problem statement all the way to a working solution that contributes to Nokia's cutting-edge efforts. We don't simply assign tasks. Instead, we foster an environment where interns are encouraged to think critically, ask probing questions, and explore innovative approaches to create new technologies or refine existing solutions. Our aim is to cultivate independent problem solvers who will drive Nokia's future advancements. My role as a mentor in this program is to provide comprehensive support and guidance. This includes facilitating skill development tailored to the demands of technological innovation, fostering independence and tackling complex challenges, offering constructive feedback that promotes growth, and advocating for our interns' contributions within Nokia's dynamic R&D landscape. We are dedicated to empowering the next wave of talent to help shape Nokia's technological future.
As a mentor, one of the most rewarding parts of this internship is seeing the transformation that happens over just a few weeks. Throughout the internship, I'm here to provide technical guidance, help remove roadblocks, and give feedbacks that help them grow, not just as developers, but as future professionals. At the same time, I work with SME stakeholders across CIS, NPI NAM, and R&D to make sure we are aligned on the goals of each project. That allows us to make sure that we're building something that has a real impact, whether it's automating a workflow, improving efficiency, or filling an internal gap. In general, it's a collaborative effort, and it's always inspiring to see how much the interns can accomplish when given the support and space to learn, experiment, and build.
Hello, I'm Andrew Lecren. I'm a technical lead working with one of our interns, responsible for providing the business use case, defining project requirements, participating in code reviews, and generally answering any questions which arise during the project. Our project provides an internal tool to bridge a critical gap in the preparation and deployment of our Cloud RAN solution. The tool will improve efficiency, reduce human error, and streamline the process for deploying our systems in customer networks.
Hello, everyone. I'm Daniel, a fourth-year computer science student at the University of Texas at Dallas. I'm currently developing a user interface to run 5G call scenario scripts, as well as the front end for a Nokia-tailored AI chatbot application for Android. I use tcanter, configuration and batch files, and Android Studio. I expect active mentorship and frequent brainstorming, and by the end of the program, I aim to handle service-oriented challenges under tight deadlines better, further improving my communication and time management.
Hello, my name is Arian Tiagi. I am a CS major at UT Dallas. I am currently working on a project that focuses on real-time server monitoring and diagnostics using AI. I'll be collecting data from the servers here in Nokia to then detect problems like high temperature or hardware issues. From there, the AI can go from giving suggestions to actively fixing the problem. I want to work on improving my understanding of LLMs and servers as well as time management by trying to deliver something new each meeting we have. By the end of the internship, I want to gain exposure to how a live engineering environment works, and by the end of the program, I aim to become more confident in my technical skills.
Hello everyone, I'm Tomasu. I'm an incoming senior studying computer science at the University of Texas at Dallas. My project is a web application that automates the deployment of network functions from a select group of containers. I'm learning how to route JavaScript through HTML files, make API calls, and structure my code for scalability. I'm hoping to build strong relationships with the mentors I'm working with, and by the end of the internship, use what I've learned to create more advanced personal projects and sharpen my skills in scripting and web development.
Hi, I'm Chandler Radcliffe, a computer science student with a focus in cybersecurity at Baylor University. My project is a web application for 5G lifecycle management, where I'm streamlining the deployment process. I'm strengthening my skills in web development while getting a foundational knowledge in 5G. I hope to have a strong foundation in 5G and create lasting relationships with those I've met here at Nokia, and to learn more about myself by the conclusion of this internship.
Hello, I'm Akash, and I'm a computer science student at Purdue University. Currently, I'm building a Nokia knowledgeable chat assistant by implementing a process known as retrieval augmented generation. Throughout the last few weeks, I've been learning technical skills like working with Kubernetes, as well as soft skills like learning how to effectively communicate how my system works during stand-ups and meetings with engineers. I want this internship to be a great learning experience, but also a place where I can connect with professionals in the industry. By the end of the program, I hope to have made an impact at Nokia through my work, building a tool that people will use and benefit from.
Hi, I'm Aner, a computer science and data science major at Southern Methodist University. I'm developing a neural network that predicts radio signal quality features based on latitude and longitude, and packaging this into a map-based graphical user interface. I'm learning new modules for Python like Flask, learning about multi-output regression in PyTorch, and I'm learning about container services like Kubernetes. By the end of my internship, I hope to have made Nokia a long-lasting and useful program, and made friends with all the interns as I went.
From learning and growth to collaboration and innovation, our internship program offers more than just experience. It's a launch pad. Stay tuned for more highlights this summer as we showcase what these talented interns build with the support of the Nokia team. Thanks for listening to this special edition. Until next time, keep innovating.